the 1.7. Stick around. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to make the 1.7. This is for a customer's order. Alright, I don't have that many 1.7s available, so if you are interested in the 1.7, what I suggest is you go to the website right now and order it, threeriverblades.com. Alright guys, stick around to the end of the video. Alright guys, I hope you appreciated that video. If you're not familiar, this is the 1/7 Machete. It is made out of D2 steel and it is over 1/4 of an inch thick. If you can see that, comes to a taper. And it also has this grind on it, which is a convex grind, as you can see there. Very ergonomic handle, alright? So you have a couple different grips. You can grip up tight. You can grip up close, you can bring it back a little bit. It does come with a lanyard hole, so if you really wanted to grip it all the way in the back and swing on this, then you absolutely can. Alright guys, so I have these available on the website. Go to 3riverblades.com. It also will come with a Kydex sheath, and you decide how you want to carry this thing. Typically the holes are going to be for a large tech lock, which will go on your belt, but you can also get it for your pack because it is a 17-inch machete, so it's pretty big. If you want one of these, go order it now. Go to 3riverblades.com. What I need you guys to do is to like, subscribe, share, do all that good stuff. It really does help the algorithm, and I really appreciate all the support. Check all the other links I have down below. Thank you very much guys, and as always, keep grinding.